Welcome to Kareem's Bakery. I am Kareem, and today I am thrilled to share the secrets of crafting a professional, artisanal pizza right in your kitchen. There is nothing quite like the smell of a fresh pizza coming out of a wood-fired oven with its perfect crust and melting cheese. Look at that incredible cheese pull. Achieving this level of quality starts with the right ingredients and a lot of passion for the craft. We begin with our foundation, the dough. In a large bowl, we combine premium high-protein flour, filtered water, active dry yeast, and sea salt. Mix these ingredients until a shaggy mass forms. This stage is crucial for ensuring the yeast is evenly distributed throughout the entire dough mixture. Now, we move to the counter. Kneading is where the magic happens. Use the heels of your hands to push, fold, and turn the dough. Continue this process for about 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth, elastic, and bounces back when you give it a gentle poke. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with a damp cloth. Now, we let it rest in a warm spot. Watch as the yeast works its wonders. During this fermentation, the dough will double in size, developing deep flavors and those iconic air pockets. While the dough rises, we prepare our signature sauce. We start with San Marzano tomatoes, hand-crushed for a rustic and authentic texture. We stir in a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, and a pinch of dried oregano and salt to enhance the natural sweetness. Now for the toppings. Fresh mozzarella is sliced thin, and we pick only the most vibrant basil leaves from our indoor herb garden. High-quality pepperoni is sliced precisely. Using the best ingredients ensures that every bite is a celebration of flavor and quality. Our dough is ready. Carefully turn it onto a floured surface. We want to be gentle to keep all that beautiful air inside. Stretching the dough is an art. Use your knuckles to gently expand it into a circle, leaving a slightly thicker edge for the crust. Place the stretched dough onto a wooden pizza peel dusted with semolina. This will help the pizza slide easily into the oven later. Ladle the sauce into the center and swirl it outward in a spiral. Remember, less is more when it comes to a professional pizza. Evenly distribute the fresh mozzarella and pepperoni. Each topping should have its own space to cook perfectly and release its flavors. Now, the moment of truth. Slide the pizza into the heart of the wood-fired oven. The intense heat is what creates that crispiness. Watch the crust rise and bubble. The high temperature creates those beautiful leopard spots that are the hallmark of a true artisan pizza. Carefully remove the pizza when the crust is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted. The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. Finish with a few leaves of fresh basil for a burst of color and a final touch of aromatic freshness. Simply stunning. Taking that first bite is the best part of the process. The crunch, the sauce, and the quality of Kareem's Bakery all come together. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy baking this at home. Visit Kareem's Bakery for more recipes and the best ingredients. Happy baking!